Anfield, one of the most storied venues anywhere in the football world. My name is Derek Ray, and with me for commentary is the former Arsenal and England fullback Lee Dixon. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It is Liverpool facing Burnley.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. I always get a buzz from being here. The players will feel the same, I'm sure. Fast start, always a good idea to impose yourself on the game straight from the off.
And space for Liverpool in the wide position. And he stopped them in their tracks. And a throw-in forthcoming. Lowton. Getting in there to intercept. Andrew Robertson. Here's Robertson. It's with Roberto Firmino. Liverpool have given it away. Vidra. McNeil. Brownhill. So typical of Jordan Henderson, perfect read. Well, can they be creative from here? Chances on. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. The cross is on. Mane. Henderson. Here's Firmino. Could go ahead. Able to get his body in the way. One block after another. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Fabinho. Henderson. Roberto Firmino. Might be able to produce from this position. A decisive clearance it was. Fabinho. Henderson has it. Henderson. Andrew Robertson. In towards Salah. And dealt with that ball comfortably. An example of how to press. Goodmanson. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count. And Chris Wood. What a shocking pass, really. We can get more details on that injury situation from our man pitch side, Jeff Shreves. Jeff?
He keeps looking down and feeling his foot, so that's obviously the problem. And I think it came from that last challenge.
Cheers, Jeff. That's a routine take.
Well, Derek, neither side has done enough in this game. There's a lack of quality all round. It really has been a poor game. But there's still time left. Can somebody be the hero?
Promising looking ball. And after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. Well, possibilities in the centre. Difficult to stop him. Charlie Taylor. Well, offside, and we could have made that decision from up here. Oh, he's given the ball away. Oh, nice ball. Playing with purpose and control. Fabinho. Firmino. There it is! The first goal And the lead certainly doesn't flatter them. Good value for it.
Well, they say there's no better time to score just before half-time. The team talk of both sides are going to be changing now. It's a good finish, Derek, and they deserve the lead. Well, just look at the reactions on the touchline. They just need to keep their composure now. This is far from over.
So the game has restarted. Liverpool in front.
Liverpool, number 14.
There will be 1 minute added on at the end. No more time left. First half is over here at Anfield. One man who was hard to subdue in the first half was the busy Jordan Henderson. Lee, your thoughts?
Well, he's managed.
The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Charlie Taylor. McNeil. Well, can they open up the defence here? He's very adept at protecting the ball. Couldn't hang on to it. Well, the timing a little bit off. Well, it's Mane moving through the gears. And delivered towards the back post. And putting his body on the line. It might be perfectly set up for the counter-attack, you know. Magnificent challenge to win it back. There's a slide rule pass. It comes to nothing in the end. Now can Liverpool use this corner to add to their advantage?
Substitution for Liverpool.
So a personnel change then.
Number 6, TRArdo. Coming onto the pitch, number 7, Jones Milner. Substitution for Burnley. Coming off the pitch, number 27, Matej Vajna. To be replaced
And
by...
firing it into the area. The fist of the goalkeeper. Henderson. Using his strength to shield the ball. And Mohamed Salah now. The defender doing his job. So a throw in here. And space for the cross. Is it going to be Firmino? And a goal! Cause for celebrations again. 2 in front.
Well, Derek, the keeper's not going to want to see the replay of this. Completely caught out at his near post. Shocker.
A chance to revisit the goal. It's going their way, 2-0.
Goal for Liverpool. Number 9, Roberto Firmino.
Well, Liverpool certainly enjoying the lion's share of possession. If you have that much of the ball, you can put pressure on the opposition defence. And they look like they're creaking. That's why they're winning comfortably.
Henderson. They've won back possession. Read it magnificently and intercepted.
Substitution for Liverpool.
And a substitution in the offing.
Number 11, Mohamed Salah, to be replaced by number 23, Xherdan Shaqiri.
James Tarkowski. "15 minutes remaining. Fabinho. Henderson. Fabinho now. Well, a decent position for Liverpool to be in. Well, sloppy in possession. Breaking at pace. Gudmundsson. Lowton. Gudmundsson. Well, they're moving the ball neatly enough. Just looking for that decisive pass. He must finish! They've got themselves back into it. A lifeline in this game, and this could be a dramatic finale.
Well, here we'll see it again. There's two parts to every game, with and without the ball. They've soaked up a lot of pressure today, but they've got their reward.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. Well, as they kick off again, 2-1 the current state of affairs.
Ashley Barnes.
Inside the final 5 minutes now. Well, you can absolutely sense the frustration growing in the opposition camp. They can't get near the ball. Ball lost by Liverpool. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Can they keep it going? Well, still time for them to level it. Charlie Taylor has the strength to hang on to it. Gudmundsson. And offside, unfortunately. So making the substitution now. And taken away. And the referee blows for full time. This goes down as a Liverpool victory, and their fans entitled to be happy about that, Lee.
Well, it was tight, wasn't it? Just done enough in the end, I suppose, to deserve the win. Tactically, a really good game, Derek.
Well, a fine all-round performance put in by Jordan Henderson. Lee, what did you make of what you saw from him?
Well, he played well, scored a goal. What a good performance from him.